What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 24 in the 6th grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. The question says that there are 4 trucks for every 5 cars in a parking lot, and we're supposed to find out which of these answer choices could be a number of cars and trucks in this parking lot that matches this pattern. Alright, so to do well in a question like this, the biggest skill that we'll need is the ability to work with number tables and with patterns. Specifically, I'm going to go ahead and start a table with trucks in the left column and cars in the right column. I'm going to start with the information that the problem gave me, which is 4 trucks for every 5 cars. And now, this is one of those questions where we'll just have to go ahead and test out our answer choices. I think that'll be the easiest way that will best reinforce the idea that this question tests you on. So I'm going to draw a quick little thing to start with. I'm drawing an X here. Now this isn't just an X. This means what's called cross multiplication, which is essentially if I'm going to test an answer choice, for instance, 64 trucks and 80 cars, cross multiplication is a really good way of testing if these two numbers make this pattern hold true. And when I cross multiply, I'm going to take my top left and bottom right number and multiply those together. I'm going to take my bottom left and top right number and multiply those together. Now, if choice A works, if any of these answer choices work, multiplying this diagonal and multiplying this diagonal will give me the exact same answer. So if we try it for choice A, I take 4 times 80 and 64 times 5. I got the same number, 320, for both, or for multiplying both diagonals. I do want to test out each of the other answer choices. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dot next to choice A, and I'm going to try out the rest of them. I'm going to try out choice B and choice C and choice D. Alright, so to test out choice B, this is a trick answer, because it's looking for you to think, oh, there's one more car than there are trucks. There's one more car than there are trucks. That works. B is my answer. But that's not how we do a problem like this. We need to use cross multiplication to test this. So in order to use cross multiplication to test this, I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. Top left times bottom right, 4 times 73. And then I need my bottom left times top right, 72 times 5. Now these aren't the same answer at all. And because these are not the same answer, 72 trucks and 73 cars does not continue that pattern like we need it to in order for choice B to be our answer. So choice B is out, and I'm going to move on and try choice C, which says 84 cars and 100 trucks. Alright, so I've set up my cross multiplication. I'm just going to go ahead and figure it out. Top left number times bottom right number is 400. Bottom left number times top right number is 420. These are not the same number. Therefore, 84 trucks and 100 cars does not make this pattern hold true, and it can't be our answer. Choice C is out, and the last one that I need to try is choice D. 96 trucks and 110 cars. So I write my numbers, and I set up my cross multiplying. Bottom left number times my top right number is 480. Top left number times my bottom right number is 440. Again, these are not the same number. Therefore, it can't be choice D. So choice A is the only answer we have left, because 64 trucks and 80 cars was the only one where we could cross multiply 4 times 80, 64 times 5, and get the exact same answer.